Want to earn a passive income of $1,000 to $5,000 plus more per month with Pinterest affiliate marketing? Imagine waking up every morning to see your earnings grow while you sleep. It's not just a dream, it's a reality for many who have mastered the art of Pinterest affiliate marketing. In this video, we'll reveal the secrets to succeeding in Pinterest affiliate marketing, from setting up your account to creating high-converting pins and promoting products that sell. You'll discover the step-by-step process that top marketers use to generate consistent income. You'll learn how to find profitable niches, create a winning affiliate marketing strategy, and drive massive traffic to your affiliate links using Pinterest. We'll dive deep into the techniques for optimizing your pins, understanding Pinterest's algorithm, and leveraging analytics to refine your approach. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, this video will give you the tools and insights you need to dominate Pinterest affiliate marketing and earn a life-changing income. We'll also share real-life success stories and case studies to inspire and guide you on your journey. So, what are you waiting for? Watch now and start building your Pinterest affiliate marketing empire today. With the right knowledge and dedication, you can transform your financial future and achieve the freedom you've always desired. If you're anything like me, you've probably heard the whispers of Pinterest affiliate marketing being a lucrative way to earn passive income online. And I'm excited to share with you how you can tap into this gold mine and rake in a staggering $1,000 to $5,000 plus more a month. Sounds too good to be true? Stay with me and I'll show you the secrets to unlocking this potential. One common misconception is that Pinterest affiliate marketing is only for big influencers, but that's not true. Pinterest thrives on diverse content from users of all sizes. Whether you have a small blog or a niche hobby, you can leverage Pinterest to drive traffic and generate income. Anyone can start making money on Pinterest, regardless of their audience size. You don't need a massive following to see results. It's all about quality over quantity. Most people give up too quickly because they're not seeing immediate results. Pinterest is a long-term game. Consistency and patience are crucial. They think their niche is too small, but having a specific niche can be an advantage. It allows you to target a dedicated audience. With the right strategies and mindset, you can succeed in Pinterest affiliate marketing. Learn best practices, stay updated with Pinterest's algorithm changes, and refine your approach. Another challenge is creating content that resonates with your audience. Understanding your audience's preferences is key to creating compelling content. Keep your content fresh and varied. Experiment with different types of pins to see what resonates best with your audience. Start with the basics and gradually build your knowledge and skills. Seek out tutorials and courses to guide you. Familiarize yourself with Pinterest's guidelines and policies. By following the rules and maintaining transparency, you can build a successful affiliate marketing strategy on Pinterest. When it comes to Pinterest affiliate marketing, choosing the right niche is crucial. You want to pick a niche that's evergreen, has a huge demand, and is profitable. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to create engaging pins that grab people's attention. This is where most people go wrong. They think they can just slap up any old image with some text overlaid on it and expect people to click on it. But that's not how it works. You need to create pins that are visually appealing, informative, and enticing. Optimizing for SEO is also vital. You want to make sure your pins are showing up in the search results for relevant keywords. This way, you can reach a wider audience and drive more traffic to your affiliate link. And when it comes to affiliate links, you want to make sure you're promoting high-quality products that resonate with your audience. Don't just promote anything for the sake of making a quick buck. Promote products that you believe in, and that will genuinely help your audience. Here's a strategy that can significantly boost your affiliate earnings on Pinterest: creating a Pinterest group. A Pinterest group is like a community where people can share ideas, ask questions, and learn from each other. And as the group owner, you can share your affiliate links and promote products to a highly engaged audience. I've personally used this strategy to earn an extra $1,000 plus more a month, and I've seen others do the same. For example, I created a Pinterest group around a popular beauty niche. I shared valuable content, engaged with my audience, and promoted affiliate products that resonated with them. Within a few months, the group grew to over 1,000 members, and I was earning a consistent over $1,000 a month from affiliate sales. And the best part is, It's a passive income stream that requires minimal effort to maintain. Pinterest affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn passive income online. Leverage visual content to drive traffic and sales. Choose the right niche, create engaging pins, optimize for SEO, and promote high-quality products. With consistent effort, you can earn $1,000 to $5,000 plus more a month. Create a Pinterest group to foster a community and amplify your reach. This collaborative approach can boost your affiliate earnings. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and get notified for upcoming videos.